Hi guys, so we're now going to do the facial proportions tutorial. So if you missed the day where we drew the skull and the face, you'll have to do this face as well. You can see there's already kind of a ghost face there, and that's because I already did it, but I did it in the wrong format, so I have to do it over, but that's okay. So remember, we're using that 4-inch height. You should still have your measurements with the lines going across. So I found the halfway mark. We're going to mostly be dealing with the halves, although keep your third lines there as well. So we're going to go ahead and find our circle and our halfway mark for the facial proportions drawing. So here we go.
All right, so here I'm making an X to find the circle, which is going to help us find the center of the face. The circle helps us get that shape of the cranium on the upper part of the head. Here I'm just reiterating my halfway point and then dividing my two halves in half. And then I'm also dividing that last half on the top of the and the bottom in half as well. You can see how I labeled it right there. So now I'm just showing you kind of where the hairline is, where the bottom of the nose will be, and where the bottom of the lips will be. And the eyes are, of course, in the center, as we've said before. One eye is 1/5 of the width of the face. So you can kind of draw that almond shape just sitting above that line of the eyes. Now you see I just brought lines straight down from the corners of the eye, and this is showing me where the width of my nose is. So the nose width is basically between both of the eyes. And then I'm going to lay in my eyebrows there, and you can see that's kind of lining up with where the eyebrows are on the skull to the left. Here I'm dropping down in the center of the eyes to find the corners of the mouth. Now you see how I drew a triangle coming down from the nose and drew that little divot that we have in our upper lip. I then connected that to the line out where the corner of the mouth is. To get the parting of the lips, you just kind of draw a wavy line starting in the center there. The shape of the face varies depending on weight of the person, gender, so male or female will determine. Males usually have a more square jawline. With thinner people, you can usually see their cheekbones a little bit more. The ears kind of fall somewhere between the eyebrow. The top of the ear is between the eyebrow and the eye, the top of the eye, and then down to the bottom of the nose. Now the hairline varies also, but you can see where I have drawn in the hairline. Men usually have a stronger, more pronounced hairline. Women have usually a softer hairline. We're clearly drawing a dude here. Making some adjustments, defining the cheekbone a little bit, adding in a little bit of shading to show some definition and three-dimensionality. Giving him a slightly different hairdo. You can experiment a lot, changing identity just by making very slight adjustments to the shape of the nose or the eyes or the mouth. It's kind of up to you. You could practice changing them slightly to make different looking people. And this will also help as you are practicing drawing yourselves for your self-portrait practice. So try to have fun with it. Change it around. Make male. Try to make a male. Try to make a female.